how are you? I am your Rajeshwari Didi, back with another curious question for you. Have you ever wondered why the nail sinks but the boat does not? Let's see what happens with a small experiment. I have a clay here. We are going to drop this clay in the water and let's see what happens. It sinks at the bottom. Now I have made a boat out of the same clay and let's see what happens when I place this clay in the water. It floats. Now, if your boat sinks, there must be a hole in the boat. So make sure that there is no hole in the clay boat. Now, why did the ball of clay sink and the boat floated? We have learned the concept of density in the previous experiment, where we have known that density is nothing but mass per volume area. For a smaller area, how much mass is filled in it. So when we made the boat shape, what we made is we made it hollow. So because of which the space occupied in the hollow space was air. And this, because we know that air is lighter than water, it is less denser than water. Therefore, the boat could float on the top of the water while the density of the ball or the clay was more, therefore it sank at the bottom because it was more denser than the water. So I hope you are clear why the boat, which is heavier and in kilos of ton, float, and why a small iron nail sinks, because the hollow space occupies a lot of space, and because of which, and we know that it is lighter than the water, and because of which it floats. I hope you understood the concept and enjoyed it. Thank you so much.